everybody. I am Miss Dementia, and this is super scary celebrity news. Our super scary celebrity today is Snooki. She's pregnant, y'all. Now, this is really scary because what if she only has one baby? Now, she's got to have like at least 3 or 4 because what if one of them comes out ugly? You got to have a backup plan. So why don't we go and see what's trending on the Twitter? At Beavis and Butthead. I am concerned about Snooki being pregnant. Is she like gonna give birth to a Cheeto? Well, I certainly hope that the child is Cheeto colored. I am so sick of seeing all these pale little girls needing these spray tans nowadays. Back in my day, we did it proper and we got our little butts into the tanning beds. Now, I love Snooki, and I'm sure that she's gonna do it right and that all of her beautiful little Snooki babies are gonna be all sorts of Cheeto colored. This one is from Aunt Joan Rivers. Snooki didn't know pregnancy causes morning sickness. She just thought that was part of her daily hangover. Now, Joan is absolutely fabulous, but Joan, honey, you gotta understand, Snooki, she's from a different culture. Have you ever heard Miss Snooki's accent? She got a really weird accent. She likes to drink the red wine. She likes to do the tanning. She's from a whole different culture, honey. She's from the Europes. So we've got to be understanding of our cultural differences. So that's it for this week in Super Scary Celebrity News with Miss Dementia. Now, y'all should subscribe up above and like me, because you know you like me. What do y'all think of Snooki's babies? Comment below and let me know. Bye, y'all.